Have you ever wondered, how do you sell group coaching to people that want one-on-one coaching? Well, at my recent online event, I had a gentleman come on during the VIP session and he asked that very question. And I gave him an entire pitch on how to position what he does so that people actually want the group coaching more than the one-on-one coaching. And I thought I would include the clip here for you guys to watch on YouTube. And if you want to attend my next live online event, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check out that. Here's the clip. Please enjoy.
I am a performance coach for real estate agents. I am not an agent myself. I have a relationship with Compass, which is the largest residential brokerage in the United States. I know my clients. I have not been able to successfully transition into having an irresistible offer.
There's a few options you have here. You can do group coaching. Your real estate agent clients would get access to some sort of training portal. So this would be your portal, which would have whatever trainings, right? They would also get tools. I like to always include tools. Like we include these AI tools. Like we have this thing where you can write a book in a day. And then of course you have your support, which would be your calls. I'll just put support here. I like to do the group calls. There's multiple things you can do. You can do WhatsApp support. You can do calls. So it just depends on how you would like to work with your clients. Now, that's one option. That would be group coaching. The way you frame this is, listen, if I work with you one-on-one, there may be a critical question that you forgot to ask that if you had asked it, it could completely change your business. But if you're on a group call, Tom, Mary, Joe, maybe they did think to ask it. You're listening. You got your question answered. But when it's Mary's turn, she asks a question that you should have asked. You just didn't think about it. You hear the answer and now, boom, it explodes your business. So you're getting so much more out of the interaction with me because you don't have to rely on yourself to ask the perfect question. You have a group, a cohort of people that have a variety of questions. So you get so more at bats at the things, the information you need and the help you need to grow your real estate business and elevate your performance. Does that make sense? That's one option. The next option is a workshop. You could do it live or you could do it virtual. It's like a full day or a full 2 days. They come in and you work with them.
Quick question in terms of how to frame like the group thing, because the thing that I've identified the most is that agents do not have time or they cannot find the time because they're in reactive mode all the time. My thought is to give them something, this group course, where they can finally take control of their time, their priorities, so they have time to prospect and build their business actually the way they want to build it. How would you frame that?
You never sell what you think people need. You sell them what in their mind they think they need. But once they get it, they realize, oh, I actually need this. So imagine you have a box, okay? And the box is what they need. You know that they need it. But if you tell them that, they're going to be like, screw this guy. What you need to do is outside of that, you create gift wrapping. You have to describe the thing they need in a way that sounds new, fresh, unique, simple to them. Because if you describe it the way they've already heard it before, they're just going to think it's whatever, they've already heard it. That is the key.